Okay, hi YouTube, Mr. User Boss here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Android app, How to Draw. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but basically it teaches you how to draw. You scroll through a long list of different objects and select one that you like, and this is me attempting to draw a tank. So as you can actually tell, it's really good. I mean, I'm actually surprised with how well my own drawing turned out, and they're not normally that good. So yeah, pretty cool app to check out. Anyway guys, thanks for